Alright, floor planner video number 2. We are going to place doors and windows, change structure of our room. So let's say this is my bedroom. This wall kind of comes in at a diagonal, so it's not quite right how my drawing is. What I can do is I can click on that corner and I can move that in, okay, to get a different shape in my room. So just don't go with any basic shape of your bedroom. You need to make sure you get the exact shape of your bedroom how it is. So if this comes out, move that out, okay? Now, so I got that angle now. Now my closet is sticking out from my bedroom. I need to add those walls. So let's my closet is down here. And you got to make sure that the measurements are exactly how you measured it when you did your last drawing. Okay, so if that's my closet there, I can come back and I can edit the numbers, okay, and I can move it again as well. Alright, so I've got my wall, my closet added. I'm going to hit save just so I make sure my project is saved. Alright, now I'm going to place doors. So most of you probably have one door to enter your bedroom, maybe you have more. Okay, I'm going to choose my door and I'm going to slide it in and I'm going to choose where it goes. Okay, now many of you probably have on your closet, they're called bifold doors, and if you can see I'm running my mouse over the doors, it shows you exactly what the doors are. So I'm going to choose bifold doors and I'm going to drag them over to my closet. Okay, so right now I have my doors placed. Now I'm going to go back to my windows, okay, and you can see the different types of windows. And what you can do is if you aren't sure if that's the same window that you have, you can drag it in, put it where it needs to go. And again, the placement of this is important, okay? You can see the measurements there and you can zoom in. If those measurements are too small, you can see them. And all I'm doing is using the keys on my keyboard right now to move it so I get close. You want to be within an inch of your correct location. Okay, so I'm just moving my window back and forth using the arrows on my keyboard. Okay, once I have it there, I want to see if it's the right window. Okay, so there I can see my window right there, and I'm holding the button down to turn it. That doesn't really look like my window. So what I can do is if I go back to my 2D, I can click on it and you should be able to change what kind of window it is. Or I just got to trash it and place a new window. Okay? And again, make sure you get in the right location, exactly the right location by moving your keypads. Go to 3D. Okay, see if that's the right window. Okay, go back to 2D. Make sure you hit save. Okay, now you can also place structure things. Some of you might have a fancier window in your room. You might have a column. Okay, you probably don't have stairs in your bedroom, but there's different structural things that you can place. Sorry, just looking at that. Alright, so that's how you place windows and doors.